Yeah, so what we got today is basically my Milwaukee pack out setup. Got my water bottle right here to keep hydrated. You know? Got the gloves right here. Basically these are my tools. Got a nice Milwaukee right angle. I'm not gonna go over all of them, but these are my baby for the day-to-day basis, you know. Yep. So this, we can take this off. Detach this from here. Put that there for a minute. Yeah. On my day-to-day basis. Terminals, you know, two-way plugs, overloads, different bits. Yeah. It's basically my setup. I need some more stuff for this, but soon. Yeah. Can you tell that I love Milwaukee? Yep, these are my setup for my day-to-day operations. Got a one thermostat for the Island here brand. I use that a lot, so I keep that with me. Got some touch pad, got a one control board. Today we'll be working on some Island here units, so when I get there, I'll be showing you guys that also. But yeah, it's my setup right here. Goes on like that. Bam. And there you go. That's my setup right there. My day-to-day operations. Yep. Also got the back right here. I got my tapes, I got my tape measure, all of that.